Hello everyone, welcome to Hipkey Club YouTube channel. It's Angela here, and my today design team assignment was to create some cards. I didn't have specific requirements to follow to create the cards, so I left myself get inspired by the gorgeous papers of the kit, particularly from this beautiful floral paper that you're seeing me fussy cutting now. This is paper number 8 from 5th Monaco collection by Pink Paislee, and it's a black and white paper with very well detailed flowers and leaves that I thought was perfect to use for the background of my cards. The cards are a set of 3, and they have in common not only the background, the floral background, but also these bold black phrases from the stamp market paper that you see me cutting now. I'm not sure about the name of the paper because it doesn't have a branch strip on it, but it is the one that you see. It has the phrases on one side and the diagonal pink stripes on the other side. Every card measures 4¼ by 5½ inches. Here I'm cutting the base of the first card. To give a pop of color to the black and white background, I cut a strip of the diagonal pink paper and I adhere it to the bottom of the card. To adhere the strip to the card, I took advantage of the trimmer, so I pushed the card and the strip towards the border so to align both, and then I stick them in place. Now I'm fussy cutting the phrases. The phrases dream it, do it, repeat it. I fussy cut all the 3, and each one will be the sentiment of one card. To make the sentiment pop, I tried using a tag to put underneath the phrase, but I didn't like it, so you'll see that I ended up using a label instead. And they're both cut from the cut-apart sheet of the stamp market. To give another touch of pink to the card, I grabbed the flower that I fussy cut at the beginning and I colored it with gelatos. I'm spreading the color with just my finger because I didn't prep the flower before with gesso or anything like that, so I didn't know how the paper would react to water. So this way I'm just using the color almost dry. Finally, I stick the phrase "do it," the sentiment of the card. I sticked it in place using some dimensional adhesive, but not the flower yet because it was still wet. And now the second card. For the second card, I went for mint color, always together with the floral paper, the black and white floral paper. This is the consistent element in my set of cards. From the mint stripe paper, I cut another A2 size card, and from paper number 8, the floral paper, I cut two strips that I adhere to the side of the card, leaving about 1 inch of space in between. That will be the place where I put the sentiment. You'll see it in a minute. Again here I'm using dimensional adhesive to adhere the different parts of the card, the strips and the sentiment too. As well as before, I added some color using a mint label and a flower colored with gelatos with the same technique that I used before. And now is the third card, and for the third card I went for orange. Here I did something different than before. First I cut two A2 size cards, one from the orange flower paper from the stamp market, and that will be the base of my third card, and another A2 size card from paper number 8. Then I fussy cut all the black flowers from this paper, from paper number 8, and adhere them on the card base. Even if it's a hard work of cutting, it's worth it, believe me, because the result is really beautiful. I love it. I love this card. I think it's my preferred. The final touch was to add some stickers. Here I'm adhering a sticker from the stamp market Fresh stickers and a little star to each card from the Dear Lizzie sticker sheet. Last, I adhered the 3 cards to a white panel, a white regular card base, and voila, the set is done. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I apologize for any mistake I made speaking in English, and I hope you like the cards. See you soon. Happy crafting!